In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download music from YouTube without an account. More exactly, you will download your own uploaded videos, which you can then use as your music files or mix sources. This works well if you previously uploaded tracks, DJ sets, or instrumental versions and now want them saved directly onto your device again. To begin, sign into YouTube with the account that uploaded the video. On the sign-in page, enter the email and password you normally use for this YouTube channel. If you have more than one Google account, double-check the profile picture in the top right corner after signing in. It should match the channel that originally uploaded the music you want to download. If it does not match, switch to the correct account now so the right uploads appear later. Once you are signed in, open YouTube Studio. You can do this from the main YouTube page by choosing the option that takes you into Studio. The page will change to a creator dashboard view with a side menu on the left and some channel stats or recent videos in the middle. A beginner tip here, YouTube Studio is the only place YouTube allows you to download the original files of your own uploads without extra tools. From there, select Content in the left side menu. The label might also show a small play icon next to it, which helps you spot it quickly. When you click it, the main area switches to a list of all your uploaded videos. You should see columns like visibility, restrictions, and date, along with thumbnails and titles. If the list looks empty, you might still be on the wrong channel account, so check the profile in the corner again. Now find your video in this content list. You can scroll down if you have many uploads, or use the search box above the list to type part of the title. Matching videos will appear right away as you type. Look carefully at the thumbnail and title so you pick the exact track or mix you want to download. If you uploaded several versions of a song, check the duration column to make sure you choose the right one. Once you have located the correct video, click Options, then Download. Options appears as three small dots on the right side of that video row. Clicking it opens a short menu, and one of the choices is Download. Click Download and the file will start saving to your computer using your browser default downloads folder. There is no extra confirmation window, so you can look at your browser download bar to see the progress and the final file name. You have now downloaded your own YouTube upload, so you can use that video file as your music source offline. If this helped you grab your music from your channel, a quick thumbs up will help more creators find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple YouTube tips.